Alright, I'm going to be doing like 4 different easy basic openings for this. The first one is like this. Alright, so first you just put it on the back of your hand, twist it a little bit, put it on the front, like that, and then you just open it. And then the closing is the same. Very easy trick. I'll do it again. So you just put it on the back of your hand, twist it a little bit, put it like this, and just catch it like that, like that. And the next will be upside down. Drop it, twist it, close it like that. Drop it, twist it, open it. Okay, just drop it. Do another close like that. Twist it, that, open it. Drop, twist, open it. Easy. Another one else, one that I have. So you can get it, twist it again, and then lift it. So you just twist it and twist it. Just switch place. And if you should put your finger here, under half of your hand to the can to make it easier. Put it to the back of your palm, not like that. This part is easier. Twist it, put it to the front. Easy. So I guess that's it, and I might be showing that promo from much of it's called Team Fortress. All you gotta do is like this. I messed up. It's kind of hard on video, but I'm gonna try again. So if you guys leave any comments if you want me to teach any more, show you how to do that. You know, I'm not gonna automatically mess it up. So I'll just show you in the next video. And I might also be showing the suicide drop or the snap drop, I think it's called. So yeah.